In this video, I'm going to teach you a tutorial on how to use the Looker Studio. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So what is Looker Studio? So Looker Studio is a data visualization and business intelligence tool developed by Google. So it was previously known as Google Data Studio. So Looker Studio allows users to create interactive and shareable dashboards and reports by connecting various data sources like Google Analytics, Google Sheets, BigQuery, SQL databases, and many others. So this platform is commonly used for marketing analytics, such as to tracking campaign performance by integrating data from Google Ads, Analytics, and other marketing platforms. It is also used for business reporting, which creating executive dashboards that provide an overview of key business metrics. Also, sales performance. So it is used to monitor sales KPIs by connecting to CRM systems or databases. So overall, this Looker Studio platform is widely used by businesses of all sizes to gain insights from their data and make data-driven decisions. Now, when you head on to the Looker Studio website, which is lookerstudio.google.com, so if you're already logged in with your Google account in your browser, it will automatically redirect you into this page. And as you can see, there's a lot going on. And right here, it says here start with a template. So they already have different kinds of templates like Google Analytics, GA4 report, Acme Marketing, Search Console Report, Google Ads Overview, and YouTube Channel Report. So basically, we're going to create a report. So let's just click on Create right here in the top left. As you can see right here, there is this report, data source, and Explorer, only in beta version. So let's just select Report. Now you'll see a screen that looks like this. So simply enter your basic info, such as your country. So don't forget to use proper information. You don't want to uh, input here irrelevant information. So company name, you can just type in whatever, so you can just change this later. Now agree to the terms of service and click on continue. And from here, step 2, so select which updates you want to receive. So you can just simply click here yes to all or no if you don't want to. So it is just emails or updates with the Looker Studio. So I'm just going to click yes and continue. Now we will be redirected to this page. Now you want to add data to your report. So let's say you want to report your Google Analytics. So just click here on Google Analytics. Now click on Authorize and simply select your account. Now, as you can see, I have added my account right here. So just click on your account, click on your property, and click on Add. Now they will generate a report for you. So as you can see, you're about to add data to this report. Just click on Add to Report. And as you can see, they will auto generate a report for you. So in my case, it has no data because this is just a test. So my Google Analytics account is just a test account. So I haven't done anything with it yet. So if you're frequently using Google Analytics, of course, the data will be auto-populated right here. So you will see charts, you will see reports, and all that stuff. Now, from here in this page, you can simply create a report. You can visualize it. So you can edit it and make it look like an engaging report for your viewers. So as you can see right here, you can add data, you can add charts. So click here, as you can see, there are a bunch of different charts that you can add to your report to simply design your report. Also add controls right here. You can change the theme and layout. As you can see, there's a bunch of different templates right here. You can just choose any template that you want. And now from here, as you can see in the data, there's a bunch of different stuff going on right here. So let's click here on properties, filter bar. So there's a bunch of different options right there. Now, when we click on the chart, on our chart right here, you will see the setup and style. So let's say you can play with the metrics right here. So let's say you want to add metric, and you'll see a bunch of different stuff right here. So let's say 30-day active users, you can add it right there, and well, it will automatically be added in your chart. As you can see, there's a new column right here. It says 30-day active users. Let's say you can add more. You can add the ad cost per click, and also add bunch of different stuff depending on what you want to report. And it will automatically populate right here in your chart. Now, you can also change the name of the first column. So let's just say right here, sales, or let's just say app, say customer or first user, or here item list ID. So it will auto populate right here, but in my case, it is invalid combination of metrics and dimensions. So just make sure that you have the proper combination, because if it doesn't make sense, it will show up like this. So just make sure that it has the proper combination. As you can see, when I change it to achievement ID, so it's okay right here. So that's basically how you're going to use the Looker Studio. So basically, it helps you create more engaging reports for your Google Analytics, your Google Ads. So it's basically a report creator of your Google account. So you have a bunch of different stuff going on right here. You can blend data. You can add more data to your charts. You can present more of it, just like here. So it just depends on you how you want to play and design your chart. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.